Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign in or log in to your Spriggy Pocket Money application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open the Spriggy Pocket Money application from your mobile device. Soon after you open up the app, you will be able to see two different options. If you are a new user and you'd like to register for a new account, tap on I'm a new user option and follow the prompts. To log in and access to your existing account, tap on the login button at the bottom. Select if you are a parent or a kid and enter your email address or your mobile phone number. Now enter your password or simply enter the verification code sent to your mobile number via SMS. If you don't remember the password for your account, for instance, you can tap on the Forgot Password link at the very bottom of the screen right beneath the login button and follow through the instructions to reset to a new password. After entering your credentials correct, tap on Login at the bottom in order to get access and sign in to your Spriggy Pocket Money app. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.